Have you ever wondered why, when you hop into a swimming pool or the ocean, you can float? It's as if you're magically defying gravity. Let's dive into the science behind this delightful phenomenon. Imagine you're in a big bathtub filled with water. You decide to lie back and, surprise! You find yourself gently bobbing on the surface. This magical floating experience happens because of a special force called buoyancy. It's like a superpower that water has to help keep things floating. Long ago, in ancient Greece, there was a curious mathematician named Archimedes. He loved to solve puzzles and was always thinking about how things worked. One day, while soaking in his bathtub, he noticed something fascinating. As he sank into the water, it would rise and spill out of the tub. He suddenly realized that water pushes back against objects, trying to keep them afloat. This led to the famous principle we now call Archimedes' principle. Here's how it works. When you place an object in water, the water tries to fight back. It pushes up against the object with a force equal to the weight of the water the object displaces. If you've ever seen a boat, you've witnessed buoyancy in action. Boats are gigantic, yet they float flawlessly because they push enough water out of the way to stay afloat. Imagine water as a giant, gentle hand that holds you up as you lie on its surface. When you lie in water, you too are pushing water aside. If the water you're pushing aside weighs more than you do, you'll float. If it weighs less, you'll sink. You might be asking, why do some things float and others sink? That's a great question. It all depends on density. Density is like a secret code that tells you how much stuff is packed into a given space. If you are less dense than water, you float, like a fluffy marshmallow or a rubber ducky. If you're more dense, like a heavy rock, you'll sink to the bottom. Next time you take a dip, remember that you are experiencing the magic of buoyancy, a wonder of science that allows everything from small pebbles to enormous ships to dance and drift upon the waves. Enjoy the feeling of being weightless and know that you are playing with Archimedes' incredible discovery every time you float.